push all three buttons. Once you turn it on, you get into a menu. You can change to go to your something. Okay, that's your display units in kilometers or miles. Backlight brightness. Auto power off after 10 minutes. Auto headlight on and off. Speed limit. We can change that. 45 kilometers an hour. This is a 2024 Blackburn TL. So you turn it on. And to get into your settings, you push all three buttons on the pad. And then you can move around to kilometers and miles, backlight brightness, auto power off, headlights, your speed limit. You can password protect it or not. You get system information and you can exit out of it. A little tricky. Wait for the bike to come on. Push the M button and the power button at the same time to get into your settings. So you have your basic settings, which are kilometers, time, maintenance is off, backlight level, auto sleep, password. These are your basic settings. So you can exit out of there. You can get information about your bike. Display information, battery information, controller information. To get into the advanced settings, you need a password. Now the password for the Aspect is 1657. So you go up to 1,
Can't you just email
16,
Mike? Nicole, can't you just email Mike
50,
messages?
Yeah, I did. I'll email it again.
7,
I just want to make sure.
and then it allows you to get into your wheel diameter, your speed limitations. This one's set to 32. Pedal assist mode, the pulses and all that. I don't recommend changing any of these, except for your speed limitation. I would say make it a little faster. If you wanted it for a little bit faster, we can change that up to, I think it's 41, and that's that. And then you can just exit out of there once you've done that. Press and hold it. So now it's set to 41, the maximum speed on the bike.